Hello everyone, today a quick tutorial for beginner sellers on the Delcamp website. I'm going to show you how to list an item for sale. The first thing to do is to have a Delcamp store. And for that, I invite you to watch the dedicated tutorial. If your store is already created, I suggest you prepare your photos and information about your item. If you have all that ready, here's how to proceed. At the top of the site, click on the Sell tab. Simply click directly on the orange Sell button. Select the category where you would like your items to be listed for sale. We highly recommend being as accurate and detailed as possible, so that collectors who have set up a search based on a specific category can see your items and, of course, potentially purchase them. If you already know the exact category number in which you want your item to appear, you can simply type it in manually in the small box below. Next, enter the title of the item. I encourage you to think about keywords by which your item could be identified. For example, here, a silver coin from the Paris Mint. Add one or more images. Here, I am uploading the obverse and reverse of the coin. Pay attention to the quality of your images. They are what will catch the eye of your future buyers. It is therefore essential that they are clear and show the different aspects of your item. Just add a few details in the description. I've gotten everything ready in advance. If you are currently one of our Store Plus members, which is our premium additional subscription service, you can also add a detailed personal reference, like wardrobe, for example, to help you find your stock more easily. Next, choose whether you want to sell your item at a fixed price or by auction. A fixed price is a price that you set yourself. And auctions mean the price will be determined by the market. Here, I'm setting a fixed price of 25 euros because I checked and that matches the market price. Then choose the end date of the sale, the duration of the sale. If you want the sale to renew automatically and how many times you want it to renew, select the shipping fees you want to charge. Here, since I'm a very generous person, I'm offering you free shipping. You can then, if you wish, incorporate additional listing boosts that will make your item significantly more prominent once the form is filled out. Click on Sell. And there you go, your item will appear in the new arrivals of its category. Now all you have to do is wait for the collector, who will be delighted to receive it. I'd also like to remind you, as you've seen, that listing an item for sale on Delcamp is completely free for everyone. Have a great day and see you soon for another cited tip.